Mycorrhizal networks. The wood wide web trees are connected through vast underground fungal networks, known as mycorrhizae, that allow them to exchange nutrients, water, and information, tree-to-tree communication. When a tree is under attack by pests or diseases, it can send chemical signals through the mycorrhizal network to warn neighboring trees, prompting them to produce defensive chemicals. Carbon sharing. Trees share carbon and other nutrients with one another via the mycorrhizal network, helping weaker trees or seedlings survive, especially in shaded areas where they can't get enough sunlight. Mother trees. The largest and oldest trees in a forest, often referred to as mother trees, play a vital role by nurturing younger saplings, even directing nutrients to their own offspring. Chemical signaling. Trees can release airborne chemical compounds, known as volatile organic compounds (VOCs), to signal distress or attack, alerting nearby trees to defend themselves against herbivores. Like neurons in the human brain, trees can transmit electrical signals in response to stimuli, allowing them to react to environmental changes such as drought or injury. Interspecies cooperation. Different tree species cooperate by sharing resources through the fungal network. For example, fast-growing trees might help slower-growing species during times of stress. When attacked by herbivores, trees can release chemicals that make their leaves taste bitter or toxic. They may even emit signals to attract predators of the herbivores. Water transfer. In times of drought, well-established trees can share water with more vulnerable saplings or trees that are struggling to access water, ensuring survival within the forest community. Trees have a form of memory, where they can recall past environmental conditions such as drought and adjust their behavior or growth patterns in response to similar future challenges. Seasonal communication. Trees can detect changes in seasons through the length of daylight and temperature, coordinating the shedding of leaves in autumn or the blossoming in spring. Role of fungi in communication. The fungi in the mycorrhizal network not only serve as conduits for communication, but also actively participate by manipulating tree behavior. Tree altruism. Studies have shown that older trees will sometimes sacrifice their own health to pass nutrients to younger trees, even if they're not genetically related, to preserve the forest ecosystem. Trees and plants can communicate with non-tree organisms like bacteria, insects, and even animals, creating a balanced ecosystem. Some trees release scents to attract pollinators or beneficial insects. Deforestation on tree communication. When forests are cleared, the communication network is disrupted, weakening the remaining trees and making them more vulnerable to disease, pests, and environmental changes. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.